Wow, blockbuster news. The Hurt Syndicate looking for new members. And they are back in business as we are ready to go.
The following contest set for one fall has a 20-minute time limit and is an open challenge for the TBS Championship. Introducing first from Long Island, New York, she is the reigning and defending TBS champion, Williow Nightingale.
Successful TBS title defenses. But her first match since the Babes of Wrath lost to the Divine Dominion. And of course, as we've mentioned, now going their separate ways. Williow, 92 days as TBS champion.
She put